Hi everyone, welcome to JOVA Wheels. We are a custom ring manufacturer in China. We make full A6 Diolo, 61, T6 forged wheels, and magnesium wheels for cars. Our custom wheels include monoblock wheels, two-piece wheels, three-piece wheels, off-road wheels, and deep dish 4+4 rims, size from 15 to 24 inch. We can make the wheels with carbon fiber cover, blade loss, decorations, and so on. We also do brand OEM, custom forging, mold opening, wheel blend mold opening. Any size is okay. We can make painted wheels, clone wheels, polished wheels, brushed wheels, any color such as black, silver, gunmetal, bronze, and so on. We had made wheels for many forged wheels brands. We also have stock forged rims to BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Range Rover, Toyota, Cadillac, Jaguar, Alfa Romeo, and so on. That can deliver it in 24 hours. Our OC department will strictly control the quality of forged wheels, especially the wheels balance and finish. JOVA Wheels do OEM wheels and ODM wheels. We have real designer team and will make the 2D and 3D drawing for your confirmation as well. Our professional experienced sales team will offer the best service to you. We can deliver the wheels all over the world. Welcome to visit our factory at China. You can meet JOVA Wheels at many wheels exhibitions, like SEMA Show. Please tell us to get the catalog, our wheels, photos, and videos. Thank you.